Hey, what's up guys, Jude back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about GoWorld.io, an amazing project that you need to check out. And also, before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd be awesome to see your great support. And let's continue with the video. GoWorld is an upcoming project that is going to be revolutionizing the current DeFi space. They are coming up with their own innovative DeFi ecosystem where they will be allowing its user to use this P2P customizable lending protocol in order to take public or private loan for USDT, USDC or DAI. Here you can find supply demand equilibrium in real time. You can also use your altcoin and NFT as collateral to take loan against it. Over here you can also customize your own loan term according to your own choice using their loan builder. And also, let me add a quick note that here you cannot use any altcoin that you hold in your wallet, but you can only use major approved altcoins. The selection of this altcoin is also done by the community itself, which is something really cool, where we as a community nominates an altcoin and then community votes for the altcoin through a governance model, and once it gets selected with most votes, it is then passed to the approval stage. You can also get more info about this in the white paper itself, which is something really cool, that we as a token holder are controlling the direction of this project. Till you are thinking what is different in GoWorld and other DeFi projects, let me share some highlight with you guys. So I am here on the one pager. Here you will find more info about it. So here are the highlights. So as we already discussed, the first two highlight, that is collateralize any approved altcoin or NFT for short-term cash loan. The second is your own loan term. As we have already discussed it, that we can also customize our own loan term. And the third is, so they are also providing their lender with high APY earning opportunity, which is cool. And also here you can maintain your tire and staking reward while you are taking loan against it. And also they will be having a limited time period where strategic partner can stake and earn Go. So soon they will be adding more innovative products and opportunity which will be rewarding Go holders in return. Now let's move back to the website. I will be sharing all the link in the description, so make sure to visit all the links mentioned over here. To know more about the project, I suggest that you check their website and white paper once to understand more about the ecosystem. So as we already discussed in the highlight, that you can maintain the tire and staking reward. So here is how it works. GoWorld is adding a layer of utility where strategic partners can take loan against their altcoin, and also they can maintain the tire and staking reward. So through their partner free program, they offer SP synthetic token. It is a multi-purpose use case token that will be minting at a ratio of 1:1 for all SP tokens staked on their GoLand protocol. And also second is SP farming pool. This will be an exclusive for strategic partner where they can stake and earn Go token. And the third is SP developers tool. This is a special admin portal where strategic partner can track and download report on wallets that are staking their governance token on GoLand protocol, which is something really cool. And here comes high APY percent. So as we already discussed from the highlight itself, that they will be allowing its user to earn high APY percent. They are directly going to compete with other DeFi yield platforms such as Compound, Aave and Yearn, and they will be offering high percent APY to its user to front run them. So this is also something really cool, that they are directly competing with already established DeFi projects, which is something really cool as per me. And in GoWorld, users have 100% freedom of creating their own loan term. So as we already discussed from the highlight, that we can create our own loan term. Here borrowers and lenders have 100% freedom of creating their own loan term, and they can instantly create an open loan marketplace where supply and demand can be easily found in real time. And here borrowers and lender can choose and customize their own points such as traditional or reverse loan, private or public loan, and so on for lenders and borrowers for the same, which is something really cool, that you have the opportunity of customizing your own loan rather than just selecting any loan that is already approved by the ecosystem platform itself. And here comes the multi-chain. Golang protocol is a multi-chain project. It is a DApp that is going to be launched on multiple chain. Firstly, this is going to be launched on Ethereum network and then followed with BSC. So as you all know, Ethereum is the major blockchain that is having the most DApps, and then the second is BSC. So these are all the major chains that they are going to be launched on the first place. And then moving on, in near future they will be having a community voting where we as a community vote for any chain that we think that is best for our world. So which is something really cool that we can decide the future of where Go World goes the next. And here are the strategic partner and investor. So this project is backed by a well-known investors and partners such as DuckDAO, Ferrum Network, Zooq, which are already an established project in the ecosystem, and this is something really great to have these backers. And here comes the tokenomics. So they are having a total of 100 million Go token supply, out of which 26% is allocated for farming and staking, 7% for angel investors, seed sale has been allocated 8%, strategic sale 10%, private 10%, and so on. In this way they have allocated 100% of the total supply, and you can find more info about this in the white paper. And also I want to add a note that each and every fund are vested accordingly. So I am here on the white paper, it's one pager itself. As you can see, each sale is been vested accordingly. As you can see, this starting from 10 months to 36 months for ecosystem funds. And also the public sale, that is 3% of the token supply, is will be priced at $0.08 for the sale and the number of token. And also the lock period for the public sale is 50%. So at the launch, all the public sale investor will be getting 50% of the token, and then 25% after 40 days, remaining 25% after 28 days, which is something really cool that they are doing a proper vesting for each and every fund. And also Uniswap and PancakeSwap listing price will be $0.08. So this is same as public sale price. And also the market cap at the TGE will be $1,20,000. So the market cap at the time of launch is really low, and I think you can make some great profit participating in IDO or public sale. Now let's understand more about tier level. Go World currently offers 4 tier level. The first is bronze, where you need to hold 15,000 Go token. The second is silver, where you need to hold 30,000 Go token. Third is gold, where you need to hold 75,000 Go token, and the last is platinum, where you need to hold more than 1,50,000 token. Each plans come with its own benefit. As you can see, this max loan to value means this is the amount that you can take. For example, if you have 100% of your portfolio, then you can take 30% of the after 30% loan out of it. And for the silver, you can take up to 40%, for gold 50%, and the platinum is 70%. So you will be getting an additional advantage in gold and platinum rather than in bronze and silver. But each plan it is of its own kind. For example, if you want to use Go Intel, you need to pay an additional $200 annual fee in the bronze. For silver, you need to pay additional $100 per annual fee to use Go Intel. You can learn more about each and every stuff from the white paper. And also here you will be getting IGOV airdrop that is for applicable for all. And also you can reduce your fee drastically if you join gold and platinum, which is something really cool. You can join it according to your own, so that is also something really cool. And now comes the team. Here you will find info about the founding team, that is CEO, CMO, CPO. All the information about team is mentioned over here. A short info is present over here, and also you can connect with them on LinkedIn. So that is also something really cool, that team is being transparent, and you can check out the team's public profile over here. Here comes the advisory. So they have some great backers that are backing the project, such as Iron Friend, co-founder and CEO of Ferrum Network, and Lucas and Ken from DuckDAO. These are the founders of DuckDAO, which is something really cool that they are backing this project. And here comes the roadmap. So they have already shared their 2 years plan with us, so you can check this roadmap and understand more about the future plans. They have already shared their plan till Q4 2022, which is a 2 years of plan that you can check this out. And here comes the FAQ section. You can check out more information, and also you can clarify your frequently asked question from here. And if you want to see more, you can just click on it and visit white paper. There you will find more and more FAQ questions that you can get yourself answer on. So that is something really cool. And also I suggest you guys go check out their one pager white paper to learn more about it. So that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and do follow them on all the social media to get yourself updated about this project and upcoming sales that they are going to be having on their platform. So that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.